MORUS Zero. Trudging down to the laundry room to constantly check on the dryer that has got to be one of the worst parts of laundry day. But what if there was a better way? The MORUS Zero will change the way you dry your clothes forever. The innovative little dryer sits directly on a kitchen counter, meaning that even people in the smallest of apartments have got space for a MORUS Zero. No more communal drying facilities ever again. What's even better is the MORUS Zero takes just 15 minutes to dry a load of laundry. It uses a special vacuum dehydration process to dry out the clothes way more quickly than traditional tumble dryers. Say goodbye to heat-damaged clothes. The MORUS Zero only dries on low temperatures. Its uniquely designed systems preserve your clothing and prevent damage it could be caused by traditional dryers. Budget-conscious or eco-friendly consumers will be pleased to know that the MORUS Zero uses up to 40% less energy than using a tumble dry. But if that wasn't enough to impress you, MORUS Zero uses an integrated UV light sterilization process to kill up to 99% of bacteria on your clothes without using dangerous chemicals. TILEMATE Tracker Finder. If you're the kind of person who's forever losing their keys and wallet, you're going to love the final Mindy gadget on our list. TILEMATE is a miniature tracking device that locates your stuff using the Bluetooth connection to your smartphone. Locate your missing valuables from distances up to 200 feet away. Someone steal your stuff? The TILEMATE patches into the network of every tile owner in the city and pings you when it goes within 200 feet of someone else's phone who owns a tile too. TILEMATE is so small you can attach it to just about anything you want. It's ideal for key rings, backpacks, wallets, and more. Due to the fact that the TILEMATE uses ultra-low power Bluetooth instead of a GPS, the batteries last for up to 1 year. That's a great fabric. There are no service fees for using the TILEMATE, and the smartphone apps for locating your stuff is totally free to download on iPhone and Android. TALO. Brushing your teeth is an essential part of daily living for everyone, but did you know that millions of Americans actually get this basic task fundamentally wrong every single day? TALO Brush aims to fix that with this incredibly unique approach to dental hygiene. The specifically designed J shape of TALO allows it to brush half of your mouth in one go. That's right, clean half of your entire teeth in one go. It'll automatically brush your teeth for you and requires no user input other than positioning it and pressing go. What's even more impressive, this tailored brush achieves all of this in just 20 seconds. That's right, perfectly clean teeth in just 20 seconds. Remember how we said millions of people brush wrong? TALO Brush was designed with the help of actual dentists and applies the perfect amount of pressure and scrubbing power to deliver a perfect clean every single time. DYSON V11 Torque Drive. Regardless of where you live, there's a pretty good chance you own and use a vacuum cleaner to keep your home clean and tidy. Most of us are still using heavy and awkward legacy vacuums that need to be plugged into the wall. The DYSON V11 Torque Drive aims to change that factored way of cleaning and bring your home right into the 21st century. Messy floors might be a problem for traditional vacuums, but the DYSON V11 Torque Drive's rotating brush bar uses a digital motor to deliver 60 rotations per second. These specially designed nylon bristles dig deep into carpets, getting even the most stubborn dirt. Old vacuums are temperamental and often lead to bashing your head against the wall when you can't figure out what's going on with them. The DYSON V11 Torque Drive actually monitors and reports its own system performance all in real time. No in-home cleaning job is too big for the DYSON V11 Torque Drive. It includes attachments for every job, such as a high-torque cleaning head, a mini motorized tool, a combination tool, a crevice tool, a mini soft dusting brush, and even a stubborn dirt brush. SEABIN. A Spanish team of developers introduced an exceptional device, the SEABIN, that operates in automatic mode. It can move along the water surface and collect chemical waste and oil into a special tank made of environmentally friendly material. This device has proven itself in use on water reservoirs, in port docks, and on waterways. In addition, the SEABIN can be installed on motor ships and super yachts. It is equipped with a powerful pump and a pipeline located on the shore, while the device itself is on on water. Thanks to the working pump, water enters the device where it gets filtered and then goes into the reservoir. The designers stated that they have got a prototype. However, they need extra funds for mass production. To do this, they've organized a crowdfunding company. You can buy this device for $3,825. SCATER 5 Floor Cleaner. If your patio hasn't been cleaned for a few years, you might not even remember what it looked like when it was first installed. Refresh your memory with the SCATER 5 Floor Cleaner and allow it to bring your outdoor services right back to brand new involvement. It can be almost impossible to remove years of dirt and weathering built up from outside paths and surfaces by hand. The dirt becomes so ingrained that you start to think it's impossible to remove. The SCATER 5 Floor Cleaner uses high-powered water pressure to remove that dirt and leave you wondering how you ever let it get so bad in the first place. Don't waste time with consumer-grade pressure washers that may not be able to fully remove the encrusted layers of grime. The SCATER 5 Floor Cleaner has no problem taking away layers of even the most solidly set-in-place filth. Totally man-portable and easy to operate, the SCATER 5 Floor Cleaner is ideal for personal or single-operator business use. It can even fold down small enough to fit in the trunk of a standard car. AMAZFIT X. Smartwatches are great. They provide convenient access to all your favorite smartphone features and a whole host of other benefits. However, most of them are kind of chunky and a little ugly looking. That's a problem of the past with the AMAZFIT apps. This sleek, curved smartwatch does away with the blocky look of previous smartwatches and integrates the curved AMOLED display right into the band of the watch. A full metal unibody enclosure only serves to highlight the stunning looks of this innovative gadget. An integrated bio-tracking PPG sensor helps keep track of your heart and keep you healthy, and there's even the ability to measure your blood oxygen levels. Sleep tracking ensures you can keep tabs on just what you need to get a well-rested snooze, and the sports mode is waiting for you when you wake up for an early morning run. If that all sounds super impressive, you'll be even more amazed when you find out the AMAZFIT X runs for a whole week on a single charge, meaning that you can get right back to the business of living well and not worrying about babysitting gadgets. NOSY. Living life in modern society is pretty great for the most part, and it's easy to forget that there are a lot of problems that have appeared due to our way of living. One such problem that presents a huge global issue is air pollution. Our last gadget won't save the environment, but it can save your lungs. Meet NOSY. NOSY is a tiny, portable respirator that covers your nose and filters the air you breathe. In tests, it was proven to deliver air up to 7.7 times cleaner than the N95 surgical masks used by medical professionals to prevent foreign particles entering the lungs. Designed with city living in mind, NOSY was trialed in London and is manufactured in the UK. NOSY is easy to carry, weighs less than 4 grams, and is considerably better for the environment than disposable face masks. Even better, the replaceable filters last up to 100 hours of use before they need to be swapped out for a freshman. Ice Cold Killer. Hot summer days call for cold drinks to cool down, and the most common way to achieve that is to add a big old scoop of ice to your glass. The problem with ice is that it waters down your drink and alters the flavor, which in many cases totally ruins the drink. If you're looking for an alternative way to chill your favorite beverage without the dilution problems that ice cubes bring, you might just want to take a look at our next gadgets. Allow us to introduce you to the Ice Cold Killer. With a design that resembles an undersea mine, you might be forgiven for thinking that Ice Cold Killer has no place being in anyone's drink. However, this innovative product has been designed to chill your favorite drinks efficiently and far more eye-catchingly than with ice. The Ice Cold Killer is made with 316L surgical grade stainless steel. That's the same material they use for scalpels in the hospital and even for certain models of Rolex wristwatches. It's filled with a food-grade cooling liquid that remains safely encased in that high-end steel housing and provides all the chill your drinks could ever need. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below which gadget and invention was your favorite. And I will see you in the next video.